For law of torts, right? What happens is we are not concerned with murder, rape, or like robbery, theft, other stuff. Those are criminal. Okay, you would get those under IPC, then Evidence Act, then CRPC. All right, under those laws, you would get those offenses. Also, you would get those examples also. All right, now because we have a basic understanding with regard to this, right? What is civil, what is criminal, what is a law, why do we need a law? We have a basic understanding, right? Now we can start with what is law of torts. All right. So we'll just see what is law of torts. Now, what is law of torts? The term tort is derived from a Latin word tortum. Okay, you need to remember the spelling as well, and you need to remember this part because there will be a question from your first unit, right? You can give this thing in your introduction that the term law is derived from a Latin word tortum. You need to remember the spelling as well. What is tortum? Tortum means twisted, crooked, or what is not straight. Now, what is not straight? What is twisted? What is crooked? Take for example, being member of a society, we are expected to behave in a certain way, right? Take for example, I live in a society, I stay in Karnataka. All right, I'm from the state of Karnataka. Now, being a resident of Karnataka or being a resident of India, all right, I have certain like certain rules or regulations I need to follow, right? There is a basic sense of how I need to behave. All right, there are certain things that I should not do. There are certain things that I can do. All right, take for example, I am a person residing in India. I am residing in Karnataka and I love mangoes. All right, I love mangoes. Now, I was going to my college one day and I saw there is like a big mango tree. All right, there is a big mango tree at someone else's property. All right, at B's plot of land. Now, B's plot of land, there is a big mango tree with ripe mangoes and everything. Now, am I supposed to just go pluck mangoes from there and then start eating it? Will I do it, or is it justified to do like that?
No, ma'am.
No, right? Why is it not right? Because that is not how I am supposed to behave, right? So that is nothing but what is not straight. That means I am supposed to behave in a certain way. I cannot just pluck fruits from a stranger's place and then start eating it, right? That is some defined rule is there, right? We know we can do this, we cannot do this. If we do the opposite, right, that becomes a tort. That means being member of a society, there are certain things which we can do, there are certain things which we cannot do. If we violate that, if we do those opposite stuff, that I'm just going randomly there plucking mangoes and eating them, then maybe I love gardening, I love to plant like seeds and everything, but I do not have much of place at my house. So what I do is I go to someone else's house, open the gate, and start just planting a tree. That is also not right. Why? Because all those are not how we are supposed to behave. All right. So all of those becomes a tort. Okay. So what is tort? It is something which is not straight. It is something which is crooked, which is twisted, or how we are not like expected to behave in a society. All right. And tort is what? Tort is a civil wrong. Because if even if I am plucking trees from B's plot of land and eating it, even if I'm going to C's place and planting trees, you would not be bothered about it, right? You would be like, oh, okay, fine. Maybe she did not know that, or maybe something like that. You would not be much concerned with it, right? That means these are certain wrongs which are not very severe, also, that everyone would be affected by it, everyone would be concerned about it. All right, maybe in your life also, right? In your life also you have seen, might be your neighbors, you have seen that they are just plucking flowers from others place. Maybe someone is plucking fruits from others place. Have you seen any examples like that?
Yes, ma'am. In front of our land, ma'am.
Hmm.
Beside, ma'am. Beside. I have seen, ma'am.
You have seen.
Few people. Yes, ma'am. Few people were plucking the flowers, ma'am.
Yeah, that you have seen. But now, when we were discussing in class today, you were concerned with that politician raping a girl and then not getting a punishment. You were concerned with that. But you were not concerned with someone plucking flowers from your neighbor's place. Why? Because this is very less severe as compared to this one. Right? That is what I was telling you. That criminal is very much serious, civil is less serious. You have seen many people plucking flowers, fruits, and other stuff, but you would be like, okay, fine, people just do it, can't help it. Right? You are not bothered with it very much. But in this particular case, you are so concerned that you are asking, like, is it this only that happens? Why? Because it's criminal, it's more severe. And this one is civil, it's less serious. Alright? You understood the difference, right? What is civil and what is criminal? How society is affected by it.
Yes, ma'am. Got it clearly.
Yeah. So that is what tort is. Tort is less severe and it is a civil law where you might have seen many such examples, but you are less bothered about it. When we discuss other types of torts, right, that time also you would be able to relate with all these different examples that, yeah, this is something that I have seen. But maybe you have not bothered that much. Why? Because it's less serious. Alright, so tort is what? Tort is a civil wrong and you need to remember it. Alright? So now this becomes a tort that if I just walk in someone's plot of land, start plucking mangoes or start planting a tree, that will become a tort. Another example maybe you are owner of a plot of land. I do not know you. You have not invited me to your place, but simply I just walked inside, opened the gate, opened the door, and then I just went inside your house. That also becomes a tort. Alright? Because you are owner of that plot of land and I should not enter someone else's private plot of land. That also becomes a tort. Alright? Then take for example, uh, like it's usual, right? Around 10 or 12 o'clock, people would go to sleep. At 2 or like 2 a.m. at night, if I just start playing loud music with speakers and everything, my neighbors would be affected, right? They cannot sleep peacefully. I am creating such a noise that my neighbors are getting disturbed. That is also nothing but a tort. All right. Take for example, I am just like installing a meal or a very heavy machine inside my house and just grinding some wheat or other stuff. It is creating lot of vibration. My neighbors are getting disturbed. That is also nothing but a tort. All right. So these are some examples of tort that we are supposed to behave in a certain way. We are doing the opposite. Right? It's a twisted behavior. It's something which is not straight. So that is nothing but a tort. All right. So what is law of tort? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right.